Johnny Prime here with another episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you. I have a special episode today. I am going into Williamsburg to a bar called 18th Ward. Tonight it's Two Wheel Tuesday. Two Wheel Tuesday is an event hosted by Shmuley from Ride More, Talk Less. It's, it's a motorcycle event, but they're very friendly to electric bikes too. And as you might know, the Zoos has its roots in the motorcycle world. Chris Johnner from Zoos, the owner and designer, basically started up these Two Wheel Tuesday events with Shmuley. It's kind of a natural outworking that we would go there as Zoosers as well. I'll probably be the only one there. Every once in a while you see another person from the Zoos Club going, but it'll most likely be just me. So basically I'm just taking the Williamsburg Bridge over. I'm going up a little bit to like 11th Street, and then I'm crossing into like East Williamsburg on Richardson Street. So let's get moving. Let's get us there. After all, we only have 8 minutes for me to get there, show you the bikes, and get out. See what kind of top speed we can get on this downhill. Thirty-six miles an hour. I feel like I could have beat that if this guy wasn't in front of me. It's a little crowded right now. It's rush hour. These events at Two Wheel Tuesday start up at 5 p.m. and it's 5 on the dot right now. Okay, we're in Williamsburg. I'm going up Roebling. Take a right on 11th Street. So the reason I'm going to this motorcycle event is to try to encourage more e-bike riders to get out and go to this event. It's not only for motorcycles, you know, it's Two Wheel Tuesday. We got two wheels. So let's show up. Plus in the nice weather of summer, it's another reason to get out and ride. Two Wheel Tuesday, we got Electric Wednesday too. You know, show up to both. Okay, turning right on 11th. This is now, once I cross over Union, it's going to turn into Richardson. And then I just got to do some fancy wheel work under that bridge up ahead and get over to 18th Ward. This area is where I took you to Talia Beer Brewery on the brewery tour of Williamsburg. All right, this is the spot I was telling you that I have to do some fancy wheel work because I'm technically not supposed to go the opposite way from traffic over here. But we're gonna do it anyway. Fancy wheel work. All right, almost there, just up ahead where it looks like the street kind of terminates. You got to make a quick left and right, and then you're back on Richardson again. And the bar will be just on the right. All right, here we are at 18th Ward. Let's see if anyone's here yet. Yeah, we got a couple of bikes. I'm early. I see Shmuley's Zoo's bike. I'm gonna go right up next to it.
it is. Like,
There it is. These guys are doing free patches.
it's pretty low. It's
Oh, you're good. Thanks. I appreciate it. You're fine though. So that's it. We did it. Around the Hood in 8 minutes, special edition for Two Wheel Tuesday here at 18th Ward in Brooklyn. The location changes every week, so make sure you check the flyers. Come down and represent the electric bike community. Thanks for watching this episode of Around the Hood, only on Frantic TV.